chill. Let's get it in. We at the urban word right now on Union Square 14th. It's June 23rd.
Alright, guys. Come here, little kitty. You was always a cuddler, always cuddling up under me. You had this habit of scratching the shit out of me. Yes, that's how you got the name Kitty. She said she said to always call her Kitty and never to call. She said to always call her Kitty and never the synonym of beautiful in Africa her name. I miss you. You were the type of people my mother didn't want me around, but my mother doesn't understand the interest. My mind has a sick, fucked up, twisted people like you. I love you. You had this habit of lying. You said you didn't love me. You loved me. You were supposed to come with me to get my nipples pierced. You were supposed to play hooky from work and school and go to the movies. We were supposed to try new foods together. Dress up all girly and pretend to be all fancy and go shopping together. We were supposed to take naked pictures of one another. We were so comfortable in nudity. You had this thing for high granny, all white cotton panties from the 80s. No bra, baby gel powders, piercings, and cameras. I was supposed to be a lab rat, and you was my artist. Here is my body. You said you would paint me with orgasms. I trusted you. Even though you had this habit of lying, you lied about your name. Your hair isn't really black. Your eyes aren't really the colors of fresh baked or salt. Your tattoos were fake. Your piercings were fake. You weren't really bow-legged. You needed me. You was the enemy that I never showed to anyone. You were late nights of Adderall and Red Bull. This poem is a mistake. You were a mistake. When you look back on mistakes, you look for signs that was telling you no. You thought if you second thought it. If you second thought her, you forget your homework at home. You step on someone's toes. You bump into people. Those are mistakes. You're not supposed to become infatuated with someone. I would always tell myself, infatuations were for the weak, hurting was for the broken. Strong people experience pain. We're supposed to share our stories together and pleasures on mind fucking people. Our metaphors of love like genocide, like thrill, like high, like syrup, like slow motion, loving on Codeine. You said a lot of things. You said you liked me. And the way my mind worked when I was around you, you said I looked good on my bad days. As long as my hair was natural, you analyzed me. You had this heavy habit for observing. I never saw this coming. I should have known better. Because with every jack, there's an ass. Marissa being ass. Because with every jack, there's a stalk. I'm waiting for you up here. I already introduced you to God. Because with every jack, there's a hat. I'm no musician. I cannot make you appear out of thin air. But I still see you through areas of mass, nothing, you're laying backwards. Because you know I never paid attention to anything that looked right. You never made sense. You said living alone is lonely. You had this thing for pasta. You told me you was Italian. I imagined myself cooking for you. You tested my appetite and I lost. You was a giver. Hear this, hear that, here, let me find you, no, let me feed you. I played scientist and experiment with your body. You said I had to find your spots like I think your neck, like I think your hip, like I think your nerves and touch and breathe and light soft kisses like trial and error and gold. No one will understand this poem. It's 0.2 pictures of insiders that can never put together the picture. So the next time you get bored with the norm and you decide to mind fuck me, remember, you were the eternal accident and I'm the doctor. Tell me how you're gonna fix yourself now.
Thank you.